Ishe, ha in het uur aan ze jeresen het hors teich de compagnieën snupper tuneskolachke. Ha technologisch leeg klovoel er een 3D laseren agus mag veelmaal ille aan zijn Advanced Manufacturing Center, ja in AMC, is een kudjige gehorste gnagen zijn bjaken agus de smoortjenake horske bi. Wie een jede wist die een naski kutjedig na haflone. Ha join makkeljain gadish.
Ma haar níjing hús an sa spéran, ha coltas angunring muintir AMC chutjachug, gooscolan in that shots and towing is a really college na geldach in hier ag a UHI. Ha haar a sirig viachgan fo gnífachas an tjúnskalach, so jelain is dunja haas an rudig an iunu go cruachal ach na chobulach kínjachar an dói share gus toshach tosha hi a iunu Voor die compagnieën en uiamachach a chlachgug, taich gang a dóin gus an operach a lesachug is barak tigjanger maar a suringhaif stuach cruachug haif heen go hinnatal.
The Advanced Manufacturing Centre is part of the Advanced Manufacturing Challenge Fund, which was a fund that was created to bring advanced manufacturing to Scotland. And so this particular bid is for the West Highlands, and we're really keen to showcase and demonstrate what advanced manufacturing can do for local businesses. In the centre itself, we've got some amazing bits of kit. So we've got the ability to 3D print, we've got some scanners that we can scan and reverse engineer products, CNC equipment, 5-axis milling machines, the first one of its kind in Scotland, which is really exciting. And this is an opportunity for us to not only for people to be able to come to the centre to see that, but we can take some of this kit out to businesses as well in the sort of more rural communities. So it's a really, really good asset to have locally for people to get the creative juices flowing. And we see it as a bit of a sandpit area. It's like a big giant kids play park where you can come in, and if you're an engineer or you've got some ideas, you can come in and use the kit and use that to try and bring new products to market for your business.
En Jake tachart a sorichtes a skira rich an canner shakin an biakan san towing, huur mention a skira an corum na gurrison sho eiking I've hain. The hooch a corum gus coyat der doyen gus an cooch stu a cruach an shaw at a geldach, and nachavir a year new hal harish.
The markets are changing all the time, and with regards to manufacturing things, the Far East carbon footprint involved and stuff like that is not the best way to go, I think. So there's massive opportunities in our industry, with the bike industry, to look at how things are made, and we've got local resources and materials which we can utilise, and there are tons of parts of bikes basically that we can look at perhaps making here. It's one of those things that you look at, often wonder about, and like you're saying, investigating how you'd actually go about it. That's what the manufacturing centre is allowing us to do at the moment, which is fantastic.
Jevan na gyrus an seo an asci chun an dúlach an aflana, as bí muintir an nidach an dachas can cúdig seo imu company at fiag na geldach an gnáchas acha an nearstachig agus a lésachig. Joing Machgalahain, BBC an lá.